physics wala the test papers were good actually. Actually, like they were a few of them were harder than the actual RMO level, and it gave me a lot of practice.
बच्चों को एक बात कहना चाहूंगा कि हर किसी लेवल पे आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि बच्चे का इंटेलिजेंस लेवल जो है वो मार्क्स से जज किया जा सकता है.
Because in IOQM, you can't spend that much time on a single problem. In RMO, like you literally feel like you can explore the problem. With the problem, you can play with the problem, explore it, generalize it.
सभी लोगों को बहुत बहुत नमस्कार. होप तो सब लोगों के हालचाल बढ़िया होंगे. रिजल्ट सेलिब्रेशन का दौर चल रहा है आरएमओ का, और आरएमओ के इस रिजल्ट सेलिब्रेशन में आज हमारे साथ हैं एक और स्टूडेंट जिनका नाम है कृषिका. एंड बात करते हैं इनसे, जानते हैं कैसी रही इनकी पूरी आरएमओ तक की जर्नी और क्या क्या इन्होंने स्ट्रगल फेस किया, क्या क्या इन्होंने हर्डल्स फेस किए, क्या इनको टॉपिक आसान लगे, कौन से टॉपिक इनको टफ लगे, क्या इनको मैथ्स के अलावा और कौन से ओलंपियाड में इंटरेस्ट है. बहुत सारी बातें जानते हैं मिलके कृषिका से. हेलो कृषिका.
हेलो सर.
हमारे साथ विवेक सर भी हैं. हेलो विवेक सर.
हेलो कृषिका. हेलो ऋषि सर.
सो स्टार्ट करते हैं. कृषिका, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप बताइए सबको इन विच क्लास यू आर करंटली स्टडिंग एंड विच अदर ओलंपियाड्स यू आर गिविंग राइट नाउ.
I'm not giving any other Olympiads.
Okay, and you are in class 10th. Okay, and where are you from? मतलब कहाँ से हो आप?
I'm Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
Not heard well. Can you please repeat?
Chennai.
Chennai. Okay, okay, okay. So ये भी बता दीजिए how much you scored in RMO exam 2024?
75.
75 marks out of 102 she has scored. and आप हमारे PW के बैचेस से कब से जुड़ना आपने स्टार्ट किया, कब से आप PW बैचेस और हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं? मतलब आपने कोई ट्रेनिंग कैंप हमारा ज्वाइन किया था या IOQM का कोई बैच वगैरह ज्वाइन किया था?
I was in RMO training camp October.
Okay, RMO ट्रेनिंग कैंप आप हमारे साथ थे. एंड आफ्टर दैट आपने हमारा डिपार्चर कैंप भी ज्वाइन किया था?
Yeah, online.
ओके, ऑनलाइन आपने हमारा जो वर्कशॉप था आरएमओ का वो ज्वाइन किया. ओके विवेक सर, आपकी तरफ से कोई क्वेश्चन कृषिका के लिए?
कृषिका, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कांग्रेचुलेशन फॉर स्कोरिंग 75 मार्क्स in RMO, or this is very very good score in terms of knowledge wise, in terms of how much score you scored in the IOQM?
Actually, in IOQM, I made a lot of silly mistakes, so I only scored 26.
26. So मैं यहीं पे एक बच्चों को एक बात कहना चाहूंगा कि हर किसी लेवल पे आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि बच्चे का इंटेलिजेंस लेवल जो है वो मार्क्स से जज किया जा सकता है. आप अगर बहुत सारे बच्चे कृषिका ऐसे हैं, many of our students also and many of the students in all Olympiad fields, they are मतलब if they are scoring 50 above in the IOQM, then they are in overconfidence mode कि if we are above 50, so RMO हमारे लिए तो एक बहुत छोटी चीज है. हम RMO we can clear RMO in easily mode. So this is not the way. आप अगर छोटे स्कोर पर भी हो तभी भी आप बड़ा स्कोर कर सकते हो. एक मतलब आपको एक फेज से गुजरना पड़ेगा. तो ये हम इसी जर्नी के बारे में आपसे जानना चाहते हैं. सो ऋषि सर, हम बच्चे से यही जानना चाहेंगे कि उसकी जर्नी क्या थी कि फ्रॉम 26 to 75 हाउ मच ही स्टडीड फॉर द RMO, मतलब which path she followed,
means which direction you have followed to got 75 marks in RMO from 26 marks in IOQM 2024. What tips and tricks or things you want to share with the other students so that they can also take these things in their life, in their routine of study and implement in their particular study routine, follow your footprints and got that much marks?
So after I scored 26, I remember feeling very bad about it. I always wanted to like prove myself to everyone else. Like for example, someone scoring 34 in Delhi couldn't qualify, so I felt very bad. So I wanted to prove myself this time. So I followed a lot of books for geometry. EGMO was also EGMO by Evanchin. That was awesome because I love how Evanchin explains everything, and he actually like gives an intuition for things. And for combinatorics, I did like a little like the less known book called Pablo Saverin. which was very good. He explained a lot of things and really made me get the intuition of things. And for number theory, I did Modern Olympiad number theory by
Mont, Aditya Khurmi.
Yeah.
Okay.
That book is literally like Evancian but number theory.
Yeah.
So, for algebra, I did RMO PYQs, so it was helpful. And
for inequalities?
For inequalities, I did a bit of Venkatachala.
Okay.
Venkatachala or?
And then I actually did like one chapter or something, and then I followed PW lectures, which was really nice.
Okay, good.
Definitely good, definitely. So, how much test you gave for the in RMO training camp? How many tests?
In RMO training camp, actually, I had issues. I had internet issues, and the test windows were like quite small. So I missed both tests. But after the test PDFs came, I tried solving them on my own, and I looked at the solution.
What was the level of test paper, mock test paper provided by Physics Wala?
Physics Wala, the test papers were good actually. Actually, like there were a few of them were harder than the actual RMO level, and it gave me a lot of practice.
Okay, good. So my next question is, which is your favorite topic?
Geometry.
And is there any reason behind it?
Evancian.
So
how many books? How many books or handouts you have read from written or proposed from Evancian?
I didn't do any particular handouts, but I'm in Otis.
Okay.
I was actually doing a handout before this meeting.
Okay. Good. Very good.
Yeah. So I solved units from Otis and very helpful.
How was your experience while you were giving the RMO exam? What was the 3-hour pressure? Can you please explain this?
3-hour pressure? Well, I'd say it's lesser than IOQM, because in IOQM, you can't spend that much time on a single problem. In RMO, like you literally feel like you can explore the problem, you can with the problem, you can play with the problem, explore it, generalize it. You know, like you can even come up with your own stuff. And RMO is like honestly was much less stress-free.
Okay.
Because there are only 6 questions to span 3 hours. Yeah. But
and there is a
question in IOQM. How many questions you have attempted in 5 mark?
In 5 marker, I don't exactly remember. I think I did like one question, like the geometry one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your favorite topic, geometry.
Yeah.
Yeah. So can you please tell me the difference between 5 marker and in RMO exam 17 marker question? What are the how did you feel about the difference in 5 marker and 17
5 marker question in IOQM and RMO 17 mark question? Are both of the levels are same, and the difference is writing subjective solution or something else?
Actually, in an IOQM 5 marker, if you miss one small case or you do one small mistake, entire answer is wrong. But that doesn't happen in RMO. Even if you make calculation mistake, you only lose like 2 marks. So you don't have that pressure. So it's just like really explore stuff.
This is like playing a T20 game and playing a test cricket. There is a slight difference. Test cricket, there is there's like you have enough time, but you are not there to lose your wicket, right? You have to play and play. And if you are playing a T20 game, then definitely you have to hit every ball. So there is a difference, like IOQM 2024 and RMO 2024.
Yeah.
Good.
I also have. When did you start your preparation for Maths Olympiad?
Actually in April, but I didn't prepare that well from April. Even in mocks, I used to get really less in mocks. Like even around August, I got very less in mocks. After that, I put in a lot of effort, and my mock scores improved. So yeah.
Last year you gave in IOQM.
I gave IOQM, but I only got 0.
You didn't qualify.
I got 0.
So there is a message for those who didn't give IOQM 2024, or those who didn't qualified IUCAM 2024 and were not.
Rishi sir, she is saying she got 0 marks in IUCAM in last year.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say कि those who are thinking and sitting their home कि IUCAM मेरा इस बार नहीं निकला, अगले साल भी नहीं निकलेगा, ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है। आपके पास पे एक लाइव एग्जाम्पल है, ठीक है। आप मतलब आपके पास, अगर आपके पास जुनून है, डेफिनेटली यू कैन टर्न द नंबर इनटू 0 to 75 वेरी इजीली, राइट?
Krishika, what advice you give for your juniors जो they are currently starting maths Olympiad preparation?
The best advice I can give them is to not get demotivated, because even in August, even when I was like a week away from IUCAM, I got single digit scores in IUCAM mock tests, which I got very nervous after that. Like I can vividly remember my palms sweating when I try to solve problems and stuff, and it's just unnecessary. You don't need to take that much stress and stuff. So all I'm saying is that don't like prepare for SOF or something. Just focus on actual math, develop your intuition, and you should be good.
So have you ever gave an NMTC exam or RNMC exam or Maths Kangaroo?
I didn't give NMTC.
Okay. Okay.
So you only gave IUCAM, no other exams?
No other.
Okay. So Krishika, what are the future projections for you and in your mind?
Honestly, my dream is to get gold for India.
Okay. That's the great मतलब this is मतलब right choice कि we are focus on your focus on मतलब right goal कि हमें distract ही नहीं होना. We have one goal कि I will win the गोल्ड मेडल फॉर इंडिया। और ये स्ट्रैटेजी ना बहुत अच्छे से काम करती है। व्हेन वी विल डिस्ट्रैक्ट, अगर हम डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे तो हमें पता है कि हम 4 जगह काम नहीं कर सकते। वी आर टारगेट सिंगल फोकस। सो दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरी स्टूडेंट। इफ योर टारगेट इज फिक्स देन यू विल डेफिनेटली क्वालिफाई।
This is the particularly I can say this is the minimum criteria. First of all, if you are preparing for anything, first of all shortlist for what you are putting that level pressure, right? For what you are taking that level hard work. तो गोल पहले से डिसाइड होना चाहिए कि ये मेरा गोल है, ये मुझे करना है। एंड जैसे कृषिका ने बोला कि गोल्ड लाना है, दैट्स इट। सिंपल वर्ड्स में पूरी कहानी एक ही बार में, एक ही लाइन में खत्म कि गोल्ड लाना है इंडिया के लिए, दैट्स इट, नथिंग एल्स। सो उसी में सारी चीज़ें कवर हो जाती हैं, ठीक है, उसी में सारी चीज़ें कवर हो जाती हैं। गुड। इफ आई कैन आस्क यू आफ्टर ज्योमेट्री विच टॉपिक इज फेवरेट आफ्टर ज्योमेट्री?
After geometry, I'd say like combinatorics with like a bit like logical side. I like to know about games and game theory.
Why not algebra?
It's hard.
It's hard to manipulate them, na?
Yeah, it's hard to manipulate sometimes.
Okay. Why geometry is your favorite apart from if you put aside the name Evan Chen? Why geometry is favorite? Because if there is a possibility that from past few years you are taking interest in solving geometry problems at a school level or a different private Olympiad level or anything else?
No, actually, I did just NCERT before this.
Okay.
So after before a month from IUCAM, I didn't know any like Olympiad geometry of anything like that.
Okay.
So like after that, my geometry was the worst. Like I never solved any geometry questions like before like August. After like August started coming, like and everything else was like super hard. And then I was putting in effort to learn geometry, and then suddenly something about geometry, like it's so appealing to me. I don't know why. I can't put it into words, but it's something about drawing a diagram and like especially complex bashing. How you are able to define geometric structure within variables,
constructions, weak points, and many other things, many other opportunities are always there in a geometry diagram. Many things we can do. because
You can
there is always a
explore-
possibility you can trigger any geometry question by any number of methods. If you are going with the barycentric coordinates, you can finish that problem. If you are going to use complex number, use complex bashing, you can use trigo bashing, you can use vector, you can use many other synthetic geometry uh, criterias or properties. Definitely there are many choices.
And
in
geometry can be applied in other subject also. In algebra, we can apply some question geometry. In trigonometry, we apply somewhere many of the places we can solve with the geometry. And literally, I was in batch. There is a problem of algebra, just like I solved with the geometry. Or students are asking, sir, why? So if you know geometry, then you
Krishika, that problem is related. Let me explain. Krishika, there was a problem in which first equation is a square plus b square, that is equal to c square. So sir made a right angle triangle with the C as the hypotenuse and A and B are the legs of the right angle triangle. After that, there is an equation which is consisting of AC plus BD, that is equal to E plus E times F. So sir made another diagram using that right angle triangle and applied Ptolemy's theorem to satisfy that equation. And after that, there was a third equation also. So sir used internal, or I don't know, external angle bisector theorem, and students are like, what? ये क्या हुआ?
Actually, yeah, I wrote 2000, I think, P6 or something like that. You had to prove like AD plus BC is this.
Yeah.
And like that thing can't be prime.
Yeah.
So if you solve that using, you construct a cyclic quad and then you use the sine rule. Just beautiful, just beautiful.
So maths Olympiad is basically
RMO. Rishi sir, in the RMO question number 4 or 5, Shashwat Gadiyar give us a solution of constructing cyclic quadrilateral,
and
beautiful solution.
Beautiful solution. He's nothing he has done. He has assumed a few parameters in that diagram, and simply what he has done, applied trigo bash, and he proved simple class 10th trigonometry wala chapter, LHS is equal to RHS. That's it. Awesome. What he has done. So beauty of mathematics is actually visible in the Olympiad preparation, what I can see.
Yeah. Actually, the algebra portion of the RMO, IUQM, this will help out matlab, in the JEE portion many of the times. Because if any student matlab, studied algebra seriously, then his JEE portion of algebra makes super strong. मतलब अगर आपने अलजेब्रा जेई के लिए नहीं पढ़ी और आपने आईयूक्यूएम आरएमओ के लिए अलजेब्रा बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ रखी है, सो मतलब जेई में उसको कहीं भी दिक्कत नहीं आती. If you see the JEE syllabus, the inequality is max to max Cauchy's awards. We have AMGM and we have Cauchy's awards. But in the IUQM, we have T2 lemma, we have Holder's inequality, we have weighted AMGM, many others inequality. So if you see, Krishika, if I am asking you a question, find the range of A sin theta plus B cos theta. So many other students तो many other students like वहाँ पे कुछ perfect square बना रहे हैं, ठीक है. If we apply Cauchy's awards between A and B, just like A1 B2, cos theta sin theta just like मतलब A1 A2 is just like A and B, B1 B2 just like sin theta cos theta, then apply Cauchy's awards.
Definitely, Cauchy's awards say it is a one-liner problem.
One step problem. So if you मतलब बहुत सारे students का algebra में होता है, और मैं combi जिसने if any student read combi is seriously in the IUQM and RMO, then his JEE portion of combi is मतलब nothing beatable. उसका combi जो thinking approach होगी बहुत अलग होगी सबसे. So
my last question, Krishika, how many books or which books you are currently following for INMO preparation currently?
For INMO preparation, for RMO actually I completed the first 6 chapters of EGMO.
Okay.
It's right here. So EGMO, I completed the first 6 chapters.
Okay.
And then I have inversion and more barycentric coordinates to do more. And after that, I'm following Otis units. And I plan on completing Monty by Aditya Kurmi.
Okay.
And for algebra, I think I'm going to do INMO PYQs.
INMO PYQs, and we will also have problem strategies book.
Arthur Angel.
Yeah.
Arthur Angel.
Yeah.
And
yeah, this one.
Definitely.
Springer, Arthur Angel.
Arthur. And matlab, in algebra, if we do IMO shortlist problem and IMO problem, then this will help out.
The main thing is to follow shortlisted problems of international Olympiads. Like you can follow ELMO shortlist prepared by Evan Chen.
Evan Chen.
Favorite.
Every year solution gives by Evan Chen.
So you can follow ELMO shortlist, you can follow IMO shortlist and many other things also. And for the students who are going to see this, guys, Arthur Angel is a good book. Modern Olympiad Number Theory book from Aditya Kurmi is a good book for INMO perspective, and Geometry as well by Evan Chen. Euclidean Geometry book jo hai Evan Chen ka, that is also good. You can follow any
in the functional equation
BJ Venkatachala,
but limited.
Yeah, for combinatorics Pranav A. Shriram is a good book, you can follow. And for combinatorics, I think Krishika, you were using a different book.
Yeah, it's called Problem Solving Methods in Combinatorics. I have it here. Or I don't have it here, I know. So
Okay.
Pablo Soberen, it's a little known book, but very
Good book.
It really gave me the intuition of things.
Good. So I think Vivek sir sufficient है. बहुत सारी बातें हमने की
हम अभी एक और सेशन करने वाले हैं.
हाँ.
We will do much session with you after the INMO. I hope बिल्कुल definitely we can do. So best of luck for you for the INMO.
Best of luck for INMO. And
every day you are in the classes, so हमारी talks तो अभी चलती रहेंगी.
और INMO ट्रेनिंग कैंप में मजा आ रहा है बेटा क्लास लेके?
Yeah, it's awesome. I love the problems there.
Thank you. So definitely we'll try कि आपको INMO प्रिपरेशन में हमारी तरफ से पूरी मदद मिलती रहे. हम सारी क्लासेस आपकी अच्छे से लेते रहें. आप अच्छे से पढ़ें, INMO क्लियर करें और अच्छे से मचा के आएँ INMO में भी, एंड डेफिनेटली इंडिया के लिए गोल्ड लेके आएँ. इसी के साथ आई थिंक सफिशिएंट है विवेक सर.
सफिशिएंट है. एंड अप करते हैं.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू गाइस. बाय एवरीवन.